Hello everyone, welcome to the Career Path discussion series by Uplatz. In this video, we will discuss about the career path of a digital marketing specialist. So how can a digital marketing specialist effectively leverage data analytics and customer insights to create personalized, high impact campaigns that drive both brand awareness and measurable ROI? Companies that prioritize digital marketing are 3 times more likely to see a higher return on investment compared to those that don't, as they effectively reach and engage targeted audience through mobile and multiple online channels. So without any delay, let's see what we have. We will cover these topics. So first, let's go to the introduction to digital marketing. In today's digital age, business need to adapt their marketing strategies to the online world. This is where digital marketing specialists come into the picture. A digital marketing specialist is responsible for planning, executing, and managing online marketing campaigns to promote a brand's products or services. From social media campaigns to SEO optimization, digital marketing encompasses a wide range of activities that can impact a company's bottom line. If you are tech savvy, creative, and have a knack of analyzing data, a career in digital marketing might be a great fit. So, who is a digital marketing specialist? A digital marketing specialist is a professional responsible for implementing and managing marketing campaigns across various digital channels. These channels can include websites, social media platforms, email marketing, search engines, content marketing, and display advertising. Their goal is to drive online traffic, improve engagement, increase conversion rates, and ultimately enhance the brand's online presence. They are typically involved in a wide range of activities such as search engine optimization, search engine marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, content creation, and analytics. By using the latest digital tools and technologies, they help brands reach their target audience more effectively. What are the daily tasks of a digital marketing specialist? They need to plan and execute digital marketing campaigns across multiple channels such as social media, email, search engines, and websites. They need to optimize website content for better visibility and ranking in search engine result pages. Writing blog posts, designing graphics, creating videos, and developing other content types to engage with the audience. Managing paid campaigns on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, or LinkedIn ads to drive traffic and conversions. Overseeing social media accounts, creating content calendars, engaging with followers, and driving brand awareness on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Build email lists, designing email campaigns, and measuring the success of email outreach efforts. Using tools like Google Analytics to monitor campaign performance, identify areas of improvements, and adjust strategies accordingly. Analyzing trends in digital marketing, competitor strategies, and customer preferences to improve campaign strategies. What are the skills and certifications for success? To succeed as a digital marketing specialist, you will need to develop a diverse skill set, deep knowledge of SEO best practices, keyword research, and on-page, off-page optimization, proficiency in managing social media platforms, content creation, and engagement strategies, strong analytical skills to track, measure, and report on campaign performance like Google Analytics, etc. Creativity in producing content that resonates with the target audience across various formats. Familiarity with paid advertising platforms such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and LinkedIn Ads. Experience with creating and managing email campaigns using tools like MailChimp, Constant Contact, and HubSpot. Strong written and verbal communication skills for creating, crafting, compelling marketing copy, and engaging with clients or customers. Ability to handle multiple campaigns simultaneously, keeping deadlines and objectives in mind. Adaptability. What are the certifications? While a degree in marketing, business, or communications can be beneficial, many successful digital marketing specialists come from diverse educational backgrounds. However, specialized certifications and hands-on experience are key to standing out in the field. A degree in marketing, advertising, business, or a related field is helpful but not required. Google Analytics certification, HubSpot inbound marketing certification, Google Ads certification, SEO certifications. Numerous platforms like Uplatz offer certifications on SEO best practices. Content marketing certifications that focus on content strategy and creation. Career opportunities and growth. So first of all, what are the salary expectations? The salary of a digital marketing specialist varies based on location, experience, and the specific role within the digital marketing field. Entry-level professionals can earn between $40,000 to $60,000 per year. Mid-level professionals can earn between $60,000 to $80,000 per year. Senior level professionals can earn between $80,000 to $100,000 per year. Salaries can differ significantly based on the size of the company, the industry, and geographical location. For example, tech hubs like Silicon Valley or New York may offer higher salaries compared to smaller markets. What are the growth opportunities? Digital marketing is a rapidly growing field, and with experience, you can explore various specialized roles and move up in your career. Like senior digital marketing specialist, Specialize in advanced strategies, leading campaigns and mentoring juniors. Digital marketing manager, overseeing marketing teams, developing overall strategies and managing large-scale campaigns. SEO manager or expert, leading search engine optimization strategies for large companies or websites. Social media manager, managing brand reputation, content and advertising across all social media channels. Content marketing manager, leading the creation and implementation of content strategies to build a brand's online presence. PPC specialist, specializing in managing and optimizing paid ad campaigns. How to start your journey? Starting a career as a digital marketing specialist involves a few key steps. Familiarize yourself with the different aspects of digital marketing, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. You can start with free resources like blogs, YouTube tutorials, and online courses. Create a blog, manage a social media account for a personal project, or volunteer for a non-profit to gain practical experience. Invest in structured courses or certifications to build credibility and improve your skill set. Join digital marketing groups on platforms and different tools. Attend webinars and participate in industry events. Apply for internships or entry-level roles to learn the roles of the industry and build your resume. The digital marketing field is constantly evolving, so keep up with the latest trends, tools, and algorithm changes. Conclusion and call to action. The role of a digital marketing specialist is an exciting and dynamic career path with ample growth opportunities. With the right skills, certifications, and experience, you can build a rewarding career in an industry that is only expected to grow as business continue to shift online. Whether you're passionate about content creation, analytics, or advertising, digital marketing has something for everyone. So if you're ready to dive into digital marketing, start by enhancing your skills with online courses like Uplatz, working on projects and obtaining certifications. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, and so be proactive in keeping up with the latest trends and tools. Your journey as a digital marketing specialist can begin today. Thank you.